Welcome to 20 Car. Imagine a car that doesn't just drive but dances on the asphalt. A machine that whispers the future while roaring like a beast from the past. Meet the 2025 Lamborghini Huracan Concept, a masterpiece that redefines speed, style, and sophistication. Appearance characteristics: the Huracan Concept is a visual symphony. Its razor-sharp lines slice through the air like a futuristic katana, while its matte carbon fiber body glows under the sun like a black diamond. The scissor doors don't just open, they perform, lifting gracefully as if bowing to its admirers. The LED headlights? They're not just lights, they're laser beams cutting through the night. Internal specifications of the car dashboard: step inside, and you're in a cockpit from 3025. The dashboard is a curved OLED screen, displaying holographic controls that respond to your touch like a living entity. The seats? Wrapped in eco-friendly Alcantara that feels like a cloud but grips like a glove. Technical specifications: under the hood lies a hybrid V10 engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a jaw-dropping 900 horsepower. It's not just fast, it's teleportation on wheels. Car speed from 0 to 100, the Huracan Concept goes from 0 to 100 kilometers height in 2.3 seconds. Yes, you read that right, it's faster than your heartbeat when you see it. Car competitors: it's up against the Ferrari SF90 Stradale and McLaren Artura, but the Huracan Concept doesn't just compete, it dominates. Car price: starting at $450,000. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. Driving experience: driving the Huracan Concept is like piloting a spaceship. The acceleration pins you to your seat, the handling is razor sharp, and the sound? A symphony of thunder and electricity. Advantages and disadvantages: pros? Unmatched performance, futuristic design, and exclusivity. Cons? It's not for the faint-hearted, or the light-walleted.